the hidden killer inside your yucca, and how one plant was saved from the brink. Hi folks, sometimes what looks healthy on the outside is where the real danger begins. A mysterious cavity forming right where the head connects. It looks innocent at first until it starts to rot. Water retention, internal collapse, head by head, the plant begins to die. I faced this exact situation. I almost lost a 30 to 35-year-old multi-headed Yucca rostrata Blueswan, and I also almost lost a Yucca elata, both of which are, I would say, the most beautiful in our collection. The Yucca elata between 35 to 40 plus years. I almost lost them, and I had to act fast. So what causes this hidden rot? What's the connection between rapid head growth and a rotting core? And why is a tiny ventilating hole the secret to success and to long-term survival? One head gone, then another, but the plant survived, as you can see, and it's still thriving today. Real life case, step-by-step rescue guide to success. Critical warning signs. One mistake that could cost you the entire plant. Tips for others facing this problem. If you grow multi-headed yuccas like I do, you need to see this before it's too late. This could save your plant's life. So don't water, never water from above, and if you have to water, always from the base. Don't wait until it's too late, and never ignore the crown. A healthy plant today with beautiful blue leaves, strong crown, as you can see. This was just because I acted quickly. Find out more how I saved it step by step on our new Czech English Next Level video channel. Subscribe now, because the world of exotic plants and the knowledge is survival. Grow smart, grow with us. Long live exotic and spiky plants.